Kani gadega Pati CCTV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Hadin kajing yai peteng kajing ki paj ba, ki balayele persya bat ki pulet hamot pran mokhar, bat haki wei dikisnang bamarjan. Nakaliang Menteri Rangba kajela ukonrat ke sangma. Henne kasngi ka lai tarik ujulio, ha kajing kendo bat kinong patai kubor, ringkat kajing ranlang Menteri bakmi yakatnat ki kampo iyeng kajela. James PK sangma, ulong bah kani kajing le pedeng kini ki arliang mamla. Kesorkar jela kala pensenjar bah kajing kon persya iki paj ba. Namar wat ha kajing le persya jungi paj ba iki pulet. Kalong ka bejur bah, Henry nakaliang ki pulet kimpat syem ya kesenjam ka bating banyile persya iki. Henry ban penprai kajing lum paj ba jongki. Henry kedang penokam tang dakal air pasar kemat ni ki tia gas. Bat ki pulet kelala bentek lakam ya kani kajing le persya jungi paj ba.
We are quite amazed and surprised to see and we're trying to also in a sense find out who these people are actually, because as I said, we have spoken to all the possible stakeholders and all of them have told us that none of their people are there. So if their people are not there, if the Rangba Shnongs themselves have appealed yesterday after meeting with us to the people who are agitating there to go back, and still they're not listening to the Rangba Shnong, we are wondering who these people are. Let me inform you that the police has done its duty very well. I must take this opportunity to congratulate our Home Minister, our DGP, the SP and all his team that has really, in the last 3 days, they have been really facing a tough situation. And without, in the last 3 days, without going for aggression, we have been very clear to the police that every citizen in the state must be protected. Every citizen is important to us. And therefore, in the first 2 days, I think all of you know, first 48 hours, there was no reaction or retaliation from the police. The police was taking the stones, taking the petrol bombs, taking the hitting, but they did not react because we had given specific instructions that we want to ensure that we discuss and we don't want any kind of harm to be made to any of our citizens.
Watlah hakilai sengi balalen ki pulet kilai khun persya tang da ki tia gas bat ki dieng ban penprai ke jingile persya ki paj ba. Henry nang ni sakhman u konrat ke sangma ulaong ba ki pulet ken sak hamlong tomen ha ke jing khun lada ki paj ba ki yai persang ban yele persya ya ki pulen.
After talking to all the organizations and people involved, we realized that the individuals there are not part of these organizations, not part of the society of the Rangba Shnong and the locality, and so therefore we have told the police to now go aggressively and ensure that people who take law in their hand should not be left. So therefore the police have started acting yesterday, and if it is required again, as I said, the police will be aggressive and we will be picking up people and taking necessary action.
Hakabedai bat kani kajing kan at hakini kilai sengilenter. Menta lami ru kajing keno nakaliang sorkar da kabaong ba banwan ra ikani ki konram baro kadai ke balale de ki brio ki balayo kajing sio. Ya kani Menteri Rangba kajela konrat ke sangma walapan pau henne hi kasngi ha kajing kendo ba kinong puthai khobor da kabaong ro ba katnat pulet kalap ksai ki brio ki babai tingka ya kini ki paj ba ban petangi kani kajing khi.
I also want to inform you that the police has done its investigations and we have found out that there are certain people who are funding this particular program, this particular agitation. And let me tell you, we have found evidence of expensive alcohol being given to them. We have found evidence of money being given to them. There are individuals who were picked up, they have confessed that they have been given money and they have come there because they've been given money. And I must tell that we are already on the job and our police is already on the job of finding out where the money is coming from, who are the individuals who are distributing this money. And let me tell you, stern and very stern action will be taken against those people who are involved in funding and giving money to these people who are coming forward and creating this trouble. And I tell you, as I am mentioning, we have some names and we have got records of that, and we are going to move forward in that line also. But I would like to inform our citizens of our state and in fact the whole country as a whole that we are here to ensure that safety of every citizen is maintained, and we will not allow anybody to fund or anybody to take law in their hand. And we will ensure that the police, which is doing a commendable job, will ensure that safety of innocent people will be maintained, but people who break the law will not be left. An investigation is going on, and we will find the people who are behind this. We all are here to ensure that peace is there, and yes, we are concerned about the issues, and we have given our commitment that we will be sitting and discussing the issues and taking the issues, just trying to resolve the issues. I would like to appeal to all the citizens of the locality. The first 2 days or 48 hours, we resisted. Our police did not do anything except tear gas, because that is the least and the most less least lethal way of going, because there's no lathi, there's nothing, just tear gas and they disperse. So that's what we used in the beginning. But now when we realize that these are people who are individuals who are coming, are not listening, and after all the discussions and everything, this is not happening, they're taking law and order into their hands. The police and the Home Department have no choice but to move aggressively, and that might involve the police having to move into lanes, but that is something that's part of the exercise, and I do appeal to the locality people to kindly cooperate, and when such a situation is there, they should not come out. Obviously, they should not allow the people who are there also to come into their houses, and they should just maintain that. And if that maintenance is there, I'm sure we'll be able to diffuse the situation at the earliest.